We're going to do a practical exercise to demonstrate the effectiveness of 5S. You can either participate using the printout, you'll need a pen and the 4 sheets provided with the letters on, or you can just watch me having a go on the screen. So, the scenario is you're in the emergency department and have to find the correct implement in order to save a patient. You need to find the words lean, value, waste, Kaizen, 5S and perfection by crossing out the letters in the correct order. Once the letter is crossed out, you cannot use it again, and you must do it in the order specified. Your time starts when the countdown starts. Good luck! So, how many complete words did you get? We only got one, lean. A half word doesn't count. Maybe you got more than that. How does it feel? Perhaps you felt a bit frustrated and a bit panicked by the pressure. How often do we feel like that at work? And so what got in the way of getting the words spelt out for your patient? So going forward, that's how it is in the current state. Going forward, one of your team has kindly decided to sort the workplace, taking away all the unnecessary items. So moving on to the next sheet, have another go when you hear the timer starts. It's the same exercise. Good luck. So how did you get on this time? We got lean and value done and nearly completed waste. It's still a long way away, but it was a bit easier because all of the letters, unnecessary letters, have been taken away. Did it feel less stressful? Your colleagues have decided to move to the next stage of S, which is simplify. The letters are now in alphabetical order. So, same exercise again. You ready? Start when you hear the timer go. Good luck. So, how did it go this time? Was it faster? We only got to waste as the W was missing. Unfortunately, we didn't include all our team in the 5S process, and one of our team, the colleagues, didn't think that we needed the W, so they threw it out with the unnecessary items. Does that ever happen to you in the workplace when you have to make do with something else? We couldn't see in advance whether it was missing. So let's move on to our final round. Round 4 looks like this. So it's the same process, the same exercise. Let's see how you get on. As ever, start when the timer goes. How did you get on that time? I managed to get them all done within the time. And also you could see in advance whether you had all the letters that you needed, because they were all laid out in the right order. That is actually called what we'd call a shadow board, and we can use it quite a lot of the time in healthcare. You may have seen them around the trust, where you lay out all the equipment that you need on a board in the right order. And having a picture is a really good visual control of what you need and the equipment, so it's all there in the right place. That game is just a very quick way of demonstrating how you can become more effective with no extra resources, just by sorting and organising your space. The final two S's are standardise and sustain, and they're the ones that are more difficult to do, and we'll look at those in a second.